Advanced selection tools will be used to make a specific selection on the parts. Usually we use the drop-down menu here, and by selecting here different things, so we can select selection by boundary entity. Here you can select the output, either polyphase or points. So let's select polyphase and select that boundary. So the software will automatically select the polygon next to the boundary. Then from here, if you want to, you can extend your selection. To do that, again, I will go to the menu and just go to select and enlarge. And you can enlarge multiple times the selection of the part and press OK. We can also from that go to the shrink area. So again, in the select, you can shrink it and shrink it in different depths. So maybe 1, 2, or 3, and preview to see the shrinkage of the part. When you got a selection of polyphase, you can switch the selection to points. In order to do that, you have to go to menu again, select, and convert current selection. So the polyphases will be converted to polyvertices. If you apply, you can see the points now are selected. If you want to go back on to select the polygon again, you go to select and convert current selection to polyphase. So here our model, we can display it in different ways, and we can switch the display to shaded with edges, and you can see that your mesh is not uniform. You have more polygons in the curvature and less polygons in the straight area. In here, you could select, if you want to, the straight area, or you can select the curved area by just going here, edit or select, and by criteria. And you can ask the software to select the polygons larger than the edge length larger than 0.1 millimeter. And if you press preview, you can see that the software select the big polygons. You can also, on the other way, select the polygons below let's say 0.1, or ask the software to estimate the number. And here you see you select just the corners.